Hey Project Fam, just like the traffic on this highway, my videos got backed up. I just had video after video after video and I published nothing. So yeah, you might see me in these videos with a hat on. That's only because I recorded it a long time ago and I gotta give it to you in the right order. So here we go. Enjoy. Hey Project Fam, today is another good day. So what I'm gonna do today is, first of all, I gotta get jump started. So I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna open up these boxes. So these are the boxes that I needed for the mechanic. You know what? I'm gonna put y'all on this one. So Armor All has this kit right here for, you can either use it for pressure washing or with the standalone hose. And I'm gonna tell you, I've been pretty impressed with the strength of the hose nozzle by itself. Maybe I'll wash the car later and show you. All right, let's get to it. Might go for an extended ride. It's a beautiful day today before I hit up these packages. So I'm gonna ride around a little bit today, get Diamond out there, put some oil through the engine, and let's see what happens. Know if we're gonna get this ride in because it looks cloudy. Ouch. We might have to put the top up. We'll see. That ride was crazy. That ride was absolutely bananas. Boop. All right, so what do we have? We have all these parts that I really don't need and don't want. Do I even know what these are for? So why did I buy it? Well, everything came as a package. Even though I only needed one piece, I got like 5 or 6 different pieces. I guess I could resell it if there was a market for it, but I don't need it. I'll put it in a box. I'll figure it out later. Need it. But what do I need in this box right here? Is this. This is what. That's the bezel that goes around the radio. I guess I pulled the radio in and out too many times. Plastic was brittle. I broke it. Now I need to replace it. That one looks good up there. That one looks good over there. All right, let's put it in. Is it the right color? Is it? Is it? Tell me if it is. Tell me if it is. Oh yeah, that's a bonus. That is awesome. And it is in much better shape than mine. So this is what's happening, right? Because the clip at the bottom over here is broken. And the clip at the top, I think, is broken also. So let's take this off gently. All right. Nice, very nice. I have some clips and wires and things that I'd like to disable. Let's see what we have here. Can we do that? Hey! All right, so let's take off our spectacles. We pull this off. Nice. These are just, do a little twist job. I really need a flat screwdriver. Yep, let's get a flat screwdriver. That trim piece has been removed many times by me, and I'm sure many times by the previous owner. Plastic gets brittle, it breaks. First it flexes a little bit, then it breaks. So I'm actually pretty happy that I found a piece of plastic that was the same color and it was available, and the price was really good in that package from eBay. Nice, and this is another one. Need some, just pull it. Let's use my flathead. Ooh. I think that'll do it. That's it. So this is the old. See, it's all scuffed up, it's scratched. Clip here at the bottom. This top one. This one is totally gone. Clip is totally gone. And I have to take off these terminals and put all these components onto this one. Let's see if I can do that. And I did it just in time because I'm feeling some raindrops. So I got the panel back together. Didn't break anything. It did start to rain, but I'm almost finished. Pink at the bottom. Correct. Now what I'm looking for is a nice, healthy snap. I didn't hear a snap. Is something in the way? good. Ooh, maybe something's in the way up top. Dude. There it is. That's it. Okay. Nice. Okay, that's it. So, see, it's not moving. It's the perfect color. Yo, that's a mission accomplished right there. And this is the old one. Trash. All right, so let's go open up these boxes in the garage, and then we can back diamond up out of the rain. Okay. What do we have? Oh, no, wrong way. Razor blade. Ooh, this looks pretty good. So this is the fan that we need. Driver's side fan. Looks like it's in decent shape. Does it come with a resistor just in case? Yep, comes with a resistor. Nice. Oh, beat up. But let's see what the radiator looks like. Ooh. Okay. After looking at that radiator, I was wondering if it was going to leak on me. Did I make a bad decision? Fast forward to what I know now. Yeah, the fan was wrong. The radiator was wrong. I actually had to get it from the dealer. My mechanic helped me get a great price on it and get it installed. So although I did purchase a used radiator and fan, I installed a new radiator and fan directly from Porsche. Should be two things in this box. I ordered this one directly from Porsche. So I did get a used radiator, but I opted for a brand new reservoir. There we go. There we go, that looks much better now. For the life of me, you see the max min line? I could not find those max min lines in the car for nothing. All right, let's see if we can find it. There we go. See, there's no max min line. So, I mean, honestly, see the relief valve here, relief valve there. Everything else is tucked up underneath the car there. So that's gonna get replaced. And then let's see what else we have in there. Ooh, there it is. So over here, this is the radiator cap. What I'll do is I'll take the cap off. This is that. I'm just gonna screw it in here. Good. Now what I'll do is I'll put in the frunk junk. Put the radiator in here. Oh, I gotta get that out. Oh, crap. Set that there. Put these in here. All done. So when I drop the car off to the mechanic, everything will be inside the car. Close you up. All right, so that's a wrap. I'm gonna clean up these boxes, get Diamond out the rain. Next time you see me, I'll be dropping the car off at the mechanic. As I alluded to before, a quick 2-day project turned into almost a week, 'cause, because I had the wrong radiator and fan. They were able to order the right ones directly from Porsche, so we got that installed. I am on my way to pick up the car, so all the work has been done. You might wonder, why am I sitting in the back seat of my own car? Well, it's not my car. With all the cars I own, I had to take an Uber. Sometimes I just need to move independently and not ask for anything. So here I am sitting in the back of the Uber on my way to pick up Diamond. Let's go. So you see the next traffic light? Just pull off on the right-hand side over there. Anywhere on this next block.
Right?
On the right, yes. Like behind that blue car. Right here is good.
Right here?
Yep. Anywhere you awesome. Thank you so much. You too. Oh my God. I'll never get used to taking Ubers. All right, I'm looking for Diamond. Diamond must be on the street. Where is she? There she is. Right there on the street. It's looking pretty good. So where are we? We're at Main Street Garage in Elmsford. They work on a lot of different cars. Like, it's not just German cars. They work on all cars. But when I look in the lot and when I look online, I see a lot of foreign and German cars. So, all right, now we gotta go inside and go pick up this car. I should be crossing at the crosswalk because this is a dangerous intersection, especially when I'm not paying attention. All right, we can do this, right? Frogger. All right, here we go. I think we got it. I think we got it. Right, left, right. Oh, look at it. We gotta look at it close. We gotta get a better look. Dang, this car's low. This thing low. This is nice. Here we go. You ready to ride this weekend? You ready? All right, let me go inside and pick up this car. I took care of all the details. Uh-oh, somebody's trying to get my attention. Nice. So this is where all the work went down. Beautiful place. They're still working. Day's not over yet, but I'll drop the details if you want to bring it to Main Street Garage, 68 East Main Street in Elmsford. Did a phenomenal job. Diamond or I are about to hit the road. I don't think we're going to spin the highways right now, but I'm definitely going to go for a ride. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Let me put the seat back. Dang, I feel like I gotta put it down. I gotta adjust the whole seat. I gotta sit on the ground. All right, I'm gonna put my dash cam back in. We good? Nice. Turn the key a little bit. Hasn't been started in a while. Oil is good. No surprises. Make sure it's in neutral. Oh, this is it. Are we putting the top down today? Are we doing top down? It's muggy in here for sure. I know the top got wet. It's been living outside for a couple of days. But are we doing top down? Let's do top down. Yeah, don't judge. It's above 60 degrees, top's going down. All right, we out.